Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Abby and today I'm going to show you how I maintain my dishwasher. So I do clean it once per month and today was that day. So I said let me show my YouTube fam how I do clean it, and I start by removing those parts inside, then I put them aside, and then I will take my new toothbrush to clean them, scrub them perfectly. At least all the dirt will come out. Also, I will be using a gel which I used to clean my plate with. And once they are clean, I will just put them aside and continue cleaning the dishwasher. So to clean inside the dishwasher, I used a sponge plus a hand washing plate gel, and I scrubbed everywhere, every angle, and plus the door. Okay, the reason why I'm using this piece of cloth is just to reduce the foam, because this is a hand washing plate gel and it creates a lot of foam, so you cannot use this one in dishwasher. So after that, I pick water in the jug and just rinse it. Okay, this here is salt which is used in the dishwasher, and now I'll be refilling it and I'm good to go. After putting salt, I'll pick those pieces which I had removed at the first. Now they are clean, and fix them inside very good and close. Then I'll pick bicarbonate, this one, white one here, and put around where there is outlet. You see there, around everywhere where you see. You can put 10 spoons, you can put 5, you can put, you know, how you feel like it's okay for you. That you see there, yeah, that one there with the bottle is a white wine vinegar, yeah, which you can use to clean everything. So I put a bowl almost full, and then I put it inside and choose the program which is the shortest one, which is 28 minutes, and closed it, and I leave it to clean it by itself. Then after that, everything will be perfect. After 28 minutes, I will be back. Now I'm back. Let's see. Oh my God, profumatissimo. Oh, smelling so good. Yeah, I wish you're here just to feel it. So guys, it's good to maintain all the machine you are using in your home, or the home machine. It's very good to maintain them. Yeah, whether they are laundry one, whether they are kitchen one, it's good to maintain them. Yeah, at least they will stay longer. Yeah, maintenance is good. Okay guys, so let's meet on the next video. Ciao. Kisses.